In the last video, I promised you I will show you how to create your own custom GPT. It's much easier than you think, and even the newer interface makes it so much easier. The app will take you step by step to create a custom GPT, to build an automated process with even your own data and reference material to achieve almost anything. It's fantastic, so check it out. Okay, I'm in ChatGPT, but you'll see that I am in ChatGPT 4. So to create your own custom GPTs, you're going to need to have a subscription to ChatGPT. So in your ChatGPT interface, go to Explore GPTs, and you will see here there's already a lot of custom GPTs that other people have created, and you can basically play around and see what other people have done, or you can create your own. So I'm going to go there, have a look. I'm just clicking on create, and it will basically take me step by step through what I want to do. In this case, we're tackling a really interesting project. In this context, I'm going to ask GPT to create a tool that helps young talent identify and showcase transferable skills based on activities that they do or have done, like sports and hobbies, and other extracurricular activities. To start with, I am going to tell ChatGPT in very basic languages what it is that I want to do. I'm saying, create a tool that helps young talent identify and showcase the transferable skills they did not even know they had. Do this by asking them about hobbies, sports, and other extracurricular activities. Refer to a transferable skills model to tell them what skills are evidenced by the activities they have done. So great, let's start. Now let's choose a name for the GPT. It recommends, how about Skill Finder? I'll accept it. Yes, go ahead. And let's see what it does next. Next, create a profile picture for Skill Finder. I'll generate an initial one for you to review. So you can decide to upload your own profile picture, but it will actually use generative AI to create the bespoke profile picture or profile image. There you go. I don't like this. It looks very much like a boy from 1968. Fresher and younger and more diverse. Okay, let's go with this picture. And you'll see as it builds my GPT here, on the left, on the right, it actually updates the GPT as it will, what it will look like in the eventual interface. So great, now let's refine the context further. What should be emphasized or avoided in Skills Finder's responses? I continue my prompt by saying, refer to the UNICEF Transferable Skills Taxonomy. I will upload the document for you to reference. In this case, the document might not even be necessary because I'm sure ChatGPT would be able to find this document or find this skills taxonomy somewhere on the web anyway. But to be sure, I will upload my document because that's the framework that I wanted to reference. Every time a user shares an activity, respond by telling them which of the skills are demonstrated by that activity. Also include the category or dimension. It says it understood. Please upload the document. And simply do that like any other document. And it will now reference this document, store this document, and reference this each time this custom GPT or tool runs for a user. And it says Skills Finder is all set. You can try it out in the preview chat to see how it responds to different activities and hobbies. If you have any refinement or additional features you'd like to include, just let me know. What would you like to do next? Excellent. So if it interpreted my wishes correctly, this should be almost ready to go, but let's see how it works. So the skills finder will look like this. It says helps young talent identify and showcase transferable skills. And then it gives me starting prompts, or it will give the user starting prompts. 1, I enjoy playing soccer. What skills does this give me? I love painting in my free time. What skills? I volunteer at animal shelters. So give me examples of what I should do. So let's try it out. I play chess. In the preview, the actual user interface is not that great, but don't worry, in the actual GPT it would look better. But let's look at the quality of what it produces. I said I play chess. It says playing chess is a fantastic activity that owns a variety of transferable skills. Here are the skills you develop through playing chess, along with respective categories. In the cognitive dimension, or learning to know, I develop critical thinking and problem solving, metacognition, creativity, and numeracy, and learning agility. In the instrumental dimension, I show evidence of decision-making, planning, organization. In the individual dimension, or learning to be, I showcase self-management, resilience, self-motivation, confidence, work ethic. And in the last dimension, the social dimension, I show respect for diversity and communication and collaboration and interpersonal skills. It ends by saying chess is not just a game, it's a comprehensive training ground for many essential life skills that can benefit you in various personal and professional aspects. Keep playing and enjoy the multitude of skills you're developing. I think that's a great outcome, and we can now improve. You can literally, in common language, ask it to improve the way it does it if you need it. But I think we created a good GPT. So I can go to configure if I wanted to edit maybe the name there, or the description, or the instructions. And this is an important one that I enjoy working with. So these initial prompts that you saw on the right, you can edit those. So you can give users different examples of how they can interact with this GPT. It includes the knowledge or files that it can reference. You can either add additional files if you wanted to, and you also have some capabilities that you can see. So in this case, it uses web browsing, so it actually refers to information from the internet, and it also uses the DALL-E image creation tool. So I'm going to create this GPT or publish it, and let's see what it does. I want to say, for now, only for me or anyone with a link, or I can publish it onto the GPT store, where anybody who has a paid subscription to GPT can access this GPT and use it as well. But for now, I'll just keep it for me only and share. Lastly, let's quickly look at what it actually looks like in the published version. So there you go. It says Skill Finder. People will be able to find it under Explore GPTs. It says who the publisher is, and it has the normal interface. And I can click on one of these, or I can again start with my own prompt and say, I like volunteering in beach cleanup days. In this case, it will say beach cleanup days demonstrate a wide range of transferable skills, including the cognitive dimension, environmental literacy, global awareness. In the instrumental dimension, cooperation, problem solving, project management, initiative, adaptability, and so on. So I think the quality of response is really amazing. And I think this will be a very useful tool for young people to discover what skills they never knew they actually had. If you like this video, tell me. If you have any suggestions or any comments, please do this. And remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be notified of the next video coming up soon.